In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize Happy Scribe, a powerful tool for audio transcription and video captioning. Whether you're a content creator, a student, or someone who needs transcripts for any purpose, mastering this platform can save you significant time and effort. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Happy Scribe website. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the main interface for audio transcription and video captioning services. If this is your first time here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that all the tools you need are easily accessible. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create button. This is your starting point for uploading new audio or video files that you want to transcribe. Click on it to begin the process. You'll then be presented with a couple of different options. You could either transcribe audio or create captions for videos. In this tutorial, we're focusing on transcripts, so go ahead and select transcript. Now, it's time to choose how you want to upload your file. Happy Scribe supports multiple methods, making it incredibly flexible. You can upload directly from your computer, which is ideal if your files are stored locally. Alternatively, you might choose to import files from a URL, Dropbox, Google Drive, or other cloud services. This flexibility means you can work from wherever your files happen to be. A great feature if you're constantly on the go or collaborate with others across different platforms. After selecting your preferred upload method, click on Create Transcript. At this point, Happy Scribe will work its magic, automatically transcribing the file you've uploaded. While the system does most of the heavy lifting, there are some tips to ensure it works optimally. Make sure your audio is clear and with minimal background noise. Happy Scribe's powerful algorithms are designed to be accurate, but the clearer your input, the better the output. Remember, once your transcription is completed, you'll have the chance to review and make any necessary edits. Even the best transcription software can sometimes misinterpret certain words or phrases, especially if the speakers have strong accents or use niche jargon. So, a quick run-through to confirm accuracy will ensure that your transcript meets your expectations. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make the most of Happy Scribe for audio transcription. By following these steps, you'll be able to create accurate transcripts with ease and efficiency. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit any of these steps and watch again if needed. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this to help you navigate the digital landscape with confidence.